Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by picking your capture method and getting permissions out of the way. Open OBS or your browser, then select Display or Window Capture so you can act now. Choose 1920x 1080 and 30 or 60 FPS. This balances quality and file size. Next, pick your microphone and enable system audio so viewers hear everything. Once done, do a quick 10-second test recording to confirm video and audio appear together. Fix permissions immediately if they don't. Once your basic capture works, build a clean scene so viewers focus on content. Add your display or specific app window plus a webcam source and position them. Crop and scale to keep a 16:9 layout. Lock sources to avoid accidental moves. Configure hotkeys for muting and switching scenes so you stay in control. Then balance audio. Lower system sounds, raise voice, add a noise gate and compressor if needed, and monitor on headphones to prevent echo. You're ready to finalize. Press record or go live using your YouTube stream key. Keep an eye on audio meters and CPU usage. Glance at chat if streaming. When finished, stop recording and save the file, then trim any dead time before uploading. Export using H.264 with around 10 to 12 Mbps for 1080p to ensure good quality. If something goes wrong, black capture or no audio, reopen OS permissions. Disable GPU capture or switch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.